Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to ping something on Cudy AX1800. Let's begin! I'm currently on Cudy.net website. You can access this website at any time on any device as long as it's connected to your Cudy network. Anyway, you want to head to the diagnostic tools, and right under diagnosis we want to go to the ping. Here we want to input the IP address of the device we want to ping. I will input the very basic IP address, and then we simply hit ping. And after a moment we should see if the packets actually came back. As you can see, we have 0% packet loss, meaning that everything is fine. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.